Hi guys! Today's video is a bit different. I wanted to talk about something a lot of us struggle with, right love. Alam nyo, when we grow up watching movies where love is always a chase, always a grand gesture, and always painful, we were taught na kung hindi ka nahihirapan, hindi totoo. But lately, I have realized something. Love shouldn't be a survival mission, hindi to training ground para sa pasensya mo. The right love feels like home. It's pahinga. Kung lagi kang anxious, kung lagi mong binabantayan ng bawat salita mo kasi baka magalit siya, or if you're just constantly checking your phone to see if they're finally message back. That's not kilig, that's instability. Ang tamang pag-ibig, hindi kanya uubusin. It should add to your peace, not to take it away. It's the kind of love where you can finally exhale, yung feeling na, okay, I don't have to perform today. I can just be me. Let's talk about consistency. Sobrang dami sa atin ang naaakit sa intensity. Yung mga I love you after 1 week or those huge surprises after a big fight. But you know what's better? Consistency. Yung taong nandyan hindi lang sa simula, kundi lalo na sa gitna. Kapag boring na ang routine, kapag pagod ka na sa trabaho. The right love chooses you even on the days when you aren't very likable. Hindi yung mahal ka lang kapag convenient or kapag masaya ang lahat. If they only love you when things are easy, then they don't really love you. They love the comfort you provide. Here's the hard truth. You will never find the right love if you keep accepting the wrong one just because you're afraid to be alone. Madalas kasi we settle for momo or crumbs because we think we don't deserve the whole bread. Huwag kang matakot mag-isa. Mas okay na magkapeng mag-isa kaysa uminom ng kape kasama ang taong pinaparamdam sa'yo na wala ka namang kasama. The right love will never ask you to lose yourself just to keep them. So, if you're watching this and you're feeling drained or confused, this is your sign. You deserve a love that is driven. You deserve a love that is kind. And most importantly, you deserve a love that makes you feel safe. Tandaan nyo, hindi ka mahirap mahalin. Baka mali lang ang taong minamahal mo. Anyway, thanks for listening to my mini TED Talk today. If this resonated with you, drop a heart on this comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.